Hey guys, welcome to my channel Don't Mistake. In this video I will show you how easily you can convert any photo into a sketch just in few clicks. We are going to use a simple Photoshop action script, but before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel where you will be getting lots of new tips, tricks and free resources related to softwares, technologies and smart devices. Now let's see how easy it is to create a sketch of any photo. Of course you will need Photoshop to do this. So this is my Photoshop CS6 window. So let's go step by step. Step 1. We need to import action script into Photoshop. You can see this play button in the right side panel of Photoshop. Click on it. Now to load our action script, click on this icon and then click on load actions. Select this action file and click on load. Now to our step 2, open any image you like to create a sketch of. Let's say if you want this photo and we want the sketch for this photo. In the next step, just select this action and click on play button. It will start doing its work of a sketch. In next step, determine the scale of the blur as per your need and click OK. So here we have our sketched version of that photo which is ready to use, so you can save it and use it. That's all. Now this action script is absolutely free for you. You can download this by clicking link in the description below this video. Please click on thumbs up button if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to get more free and helpful resources and tricks. See you in next video. Thanks.